So you want to make a glowing text in Photopea, the kind of letters that look like neon lights on a wall. Let's do it together. By the end, you will know every step and you can create any glowing word you like. First, you need a background. A dark one works best because the glow will stand out more. Think of a black wall or even a brick wall. Open that in Photopea. Now, grab the type tool. Click on your canvas and type your word. Let's use glow for practice. But you can write anything you want. Your name, a phrase, whatever feels fun. Choose a font that looks bold. In this tutorial, I will use font called Candela, but you can try others too. The thicker the letters, the brighter the glow will look. Next, move the text so it sits right in the middle. Use the Move tool to drag it around until it looks balanced. You want the word to be the star of the picture. Here is where the glow starts. Right-click on your layer panel and pick Blending Options. A new box pops up with lots of effects. Don't feel overwhelmed. You will only use a few. Start with Inner Glow. Check the box, then click on it to see the settings. Set the opacity to 100% and the size to 3. Change the blending mode to normal. Now choose a bright color. It could be neon green, electric blue, hot pink, or bright yellow. Copy the color code if you want to use it again later. Click OK, then move it to the outer glow. Check the box too. Paste the same color you picked before. Set the opacity to 100 and the size to about 20 or 22. This makes a soft glow around your letters. Already it should look pretty cool, but we are not done. Let's add a drop shadow. Check the box and then change the blend mode to screen. Set the opacity to 100, the distance to 0, the spread to 5 and the size all the way up to 200. Paste your same bright color again. Now the glow looks big and powerful, like real neon tubes shining on the wall. When you are happy with the effect, press OK. Step back and take a look. The letters should look like they are glowing right off the screen. If it feels too strong or too soft, you can go back and adjust the numbers until it feels just right. And here is the fun part. You can type anything now and it will glow in the same way. Change the word, change the color, even stack multiple glow effects for rainbow, neon if you want. Why does this work? Each layer style, inner glow, outer glow, and shadow, is adding soft colored light around the edges of the text. When you stack them together, the glow looks richer and brighter. Dark backgrounds make it pop because the contrast is stronger. So now you know how to make glowing text in Photopea. It's simple, it's fun, and it looks amazing. Next time you need a letter for a project poster or even a social media post, you can give it that neon shine.